Guys, this is the ITMA Asia Singapore. Let's check the booth one by one. So I have no much time, so I'm going to just focus on the logo, and then you can find them out if you are interested in it. Picona. It's from Belgium. Yeah, I just walk along the main passage, and then you can search for them on internet. It's pretty good. NSC. The exhibition hall is pretty nice. Look at the ceiling. I think it is pretty good. The facilities are pretty nice. Cotton USA. Saurer. Yeah, that one. Look at the logo. It's too time consuming to alter everyone, okay? Wow, there's some machines. Worcester. Toyota. Lakshmi from India. Worcester. Luwa. Luwa. Jingwei from China. Toyota. SDC. Swinsaw or something like that. SML. Loptex. Earlycon. Since the company's name's pronunciation might be different, might vary from the normal pronunciation. Hopefully I'm correct. That one's huge. Oh, TMT, okay. VB set. TMT is pretty spacious, very big. Savia or Italian textile machinery industry. Fadis. Yeah, it's very modern to make a video. I'm here. Since I'm here, most of the businessmen are very busy. They don't have any time to do this. So this kind of video is pretty exclusive. If you guys are here, or if you are in this business line, I think, yeah, you are very willing to click a like button. Maybe it's helpful for your business. Made in Germany, that is German prevailing, Italian prevailing. Shima Seiki from Japan, I think. You can see that logo. The logo. Yeah, I think most of the big ones can be seen by this way. You are very lucky. You can see them one by one. BMS Vision. What about this one? Unitex. The logo is over there. Superb. Yeah, there's some big ones as well. I don't have too much time to cover everyone. Color jet. How about that one? What about that one? Yeah. Design agility. Very nice. GBOS. Fast flow. Zimmer. Oh, that one's big. TC. Sarex Chemicals. Jintex. Yeah, that is the end of this big hall. Yeah, I try my best to do the best to show everyone, but I haven't got too many views. Sometimes I'm a little bit disheartened, discouraged. Even I've made a lot of trade show videos, but no many views. I don't know why. It's not very encouraging, but I have been doing this for a long time. From Shaman. Okay, guys, I think it's enough. Enough is enough. EFI. Thank you very much for being with me. I'm very happy, very elated. And yeah, I think the big ones are along that long aisle. There isn't a lot of big ones along this passage. Yeah, I've covered almost everyone, guys. I mean, big ones. Thank you very much for your time. And I'll see you later, everyone. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.